Hey there, this is your girl Candace Duff. I decided to go paleo for the month of April. And I decided to do that because I'm writing a book. Some of you know me as the author L.J. Taylor, but this time I'm going to be writing a nonfiction book under my own name, and it's going to be a business book. So instead of like cooking food every single night or whatever, I'm having my meals delivered by Deliver Lean, and they're going to be in the it's supposed to be the Whole30 diet, but the paleo is the closest one to it. Deliver Lean is also Whole30 approved. And so I went ahead and ordered some products from Thrive Market. And Thrive Market is a specialized site where you can get all kinds of specialized type food, whether you're on a special diet or what have you, and things that you can't get anywhere else. Sometimes you can get some of this stuff other places, but they have a nice collection of stuff already there. And so I wanted to unbox this and show you that. Okay, so this is my first unboxing video ever. Forgive me if it's a bit rough, okay? So I already opened the box, which is probably like sin number one. But inside the box was this brochure from Thrive Market. And it says, this box is full of good stuff. With this order, you saved money, which is cool. Enjoyed fast delivery, helped low-income families, which is really cool. And we look forward to bringing you more goodness in future orders. Well, if I did all that by shopping, which is something I'm a champion at, that's a fantastic thing. Okay, so I already opened the box. Let me open it again. And bring it a little closer to you, or maybe a little further apart so you can see it better. All right, so I'm taking out all the paper they give you. It's one of the fun parts. And I really love the way they wrap up your bottled goods. So you see here, they have this beautiful paper on the outside. And then they put it in plastic and they wrap it up for you so it doesn't break. And I'm taking out this first item. Let's see what it goes. I feel like it's Christmas morning. It's pretty funny. And what did I get? I got classic barbecue sauce, organic and unsweetened, from a brand called Primal Kitchen, right? So I'll be able to go ahead and, flavor my meats with unsweetened barbecue sauce. And this is important because on Whole30, you're not allowed to have extra sugar, right? And probably not on paleo either, at least not unnatural sugar. So, but this is unsweetened, so that's pretty cool. I have no idea how it tastes. I'll let you know more about that later. But at least I have barbecue sauce that won't kill me. And let me see here. I think what I liked about it too is that unlike a lot of other barbecue sauces, this one wasn't as high in sodium either, which I can't see in this light, but we'll check that out later. So here I got my Primal Classic Barbecue Sauce. It's the first item. The second item, also beautifully wrapped, is, and apparently there were a lot of bottles in this box because it was heavy as I don't know what to get upstairs. I have valet guys downstairs that take my packages. Okay, Noble made by the new product, the classic marinade and cooking sauce. So here I have a marinade and cooking sauce that I could use, which is pretty cool because it goes with my I forgot what you call that thing, Instapot. My Instant Pot. I'll be able to marinate my meats or whatever, then stick them in the Instant Pot and have them done quickly and efficiently. So, and have them have flavor. So that's pretty cool. So it's by Noble made by the new Primal, the classic marinade and cooking sauce. That's what I got here. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so the next item in here is, I'm gonna have to clean up this mess afterwards. See, get it out of the plastic wrap. It is, ketchup, organic and unsweetened. So here I have unsweetened ketchup, and this is pretty important because, and this is also by Primal Kitchen, by the way. This is pretty important because most ketchup has a ton of sugar in it. So unsweetened ketchup, I have no idea what it tastes like. I'm hoping it tastes pretty good, but it says no agave, honey, or cane sugar. Pretty cool. Unsweetened ketchup, organic. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna give it a try. Now, the meal delivery service that I signed up with, Deliver Lean, is delivering me lunches and dinners Monday through Friday. But on the weekend, I'm going to have to cook, right? Or I'm going to have to eat salads or something. So I got some of these things to help me with that so I can stick with the diet or stick with the plan the best I can. Let's see here. Ah. Noble made by the new Primal classic barbecue cooking and dipping sauce. So apparently, and it's infused with bone broth. Okay, so Noble made is another brand. And they have their classic barbecue cooking and dipping sauce, which is pretty cool. And I like this idea for dipping, like, chicken and stuff in, or pouring it over something, that's already pre-made or whatever, to make it more tasty. So that's why I got this one. All right. Let's see. So, I'm a complete mess over here. And the next one I got next item is, Primal Kitchen Caesar dressing and marinade made with avocado oil. So I have a Primal dressing that's Paleo approved, Whole30 approved, and it's Caesar dressing and marinade made with avocado oil. So that's pretty cool because a lot of dressings are made with like soybean oil or some other kind of oil you might not want to eat. So avocado oil is very healthy for you, and I'm pretty excited about that. And this is also by Primal Kitchen. Okay? And all these things I was able to get in one place. I was able to just order it online from Thrive Market and have it delivered to my door, or at least to my building. Right? See. The next item I got, you can see a theme here, right? Another salad dressing. This is Primal Kitchen Greek vinaigrette and marinade, also made with avocado oil. So I wanted, salads can get pretty boring if you're eating the same dressing all the time, and I wanted to get a variety of dressings to keep it interesting. And salads are easy to make and then throw some chicken into or throw some shrimp into and what have you. So I wanted to have a variety of dressings that I could use for that purpose. Or you could have a salad without shrimp, right? You could have a salad with other stuff. Since I'm doing Whole30, I'm doing meat. But there's sometimes when I go vegan, for brief periods of time. And so I don't always throw meat in my salads. All right. Here we have Noble made by the new Primal citrus herb marinade and cooking sauce. So this is citrus based, right? Citrus herb marinade and cooking sauce. And I wanted a variety of cooking sauces, like barbecue and citrus herb, so that I could mix up, chicken can get pretty boring. So, and steak and any kind of proteins can get pretty boring if you don't give them some flavor, right? And it's good to give them a good marinade, and maybe not always the same marinade. Some days I might be more inclined to have barbecue. Some days I might be inclined to have something like this, a citrus herb marinating cooking sauce that I could use with these proteins. All right. And this is also by Noble Made. So I got two basic brands here, Noble Made and Primal Kitchen, because they appear to be the best for paleo and the best, and to have the best ingredients, and to be Whole30 approved. All right. By the way, I'm not a nutritionist or a dietitian, so look it up yourself and make sure before you, buy them as well. I went crazy with the damn dressings. All right, so I have here Primal Kitchen Italian dressing and marinade made with avocado oil. See, so I now have Italian, and I have Caesar, and I have Greek, I believe. Yes, I have Greek. So I have all kinds of dressings, and I was able to get all of these from Thrive Market, which is pretty cool. All right, and then I needed like Paleo mustard, which I didn't even know, and Whole30 approved mustard too, because apparently alcohol is not approved on Whole30. So I got Primal Kitchen organic spicy brown mustard. I like my mustard to have a kick, right? So I like spicy mustards and spicy brown mustards. So I went ahead and got this from Primal Kitchen. It is paleo friendly. It is sugar free. It is Whole30 approved, you can see here. And it's made with turmeric, which is pretty cool. And turmeric has many medicinal properties that are good for your body. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited to have this mustard. All right. Oh. So apparently I didn't just get sauces and stuff, I got seasonings. So I got from Primal Palette, I got a garlic and herb seasoning that I can go ahead and season meats with and season other foods with, which I thought was pretty cool. And this is, paleo. It's organic, by the way, which is really good too. And paleo approved, so and Whole30 approved. Garlic and herb seasoning. There you go. And then I also got Primal Palette, which is another brand, organic spices taco seasoning. And I know you can make your own taco seasoning, but sometimes that seasoning might not be made with good spices. This has organic spices in it. And so I was pretty excited to find a taco seasoning that was already pre-bottled, organic, and paleo friendly. So this is Primal Palette Organic Spices. All right, so I was able to get my spices, my salad dressings, and my sauces, paleo-friendly sauces from Thrive Market. One place, one-stop shopping. All right, so Primal Kitchen, another one. I got the ranch dressing made with avocado oil. So now I have every kind of dressing known to man, and I have no excuse for using any kind of dressing that's not paleo-friendly. And I have no excuse for not eating tons of salads, right? Because I now have 4 salad dressings, and I can't claim to be bored with the salads, okay? So I'm basically telling myself this, I can do this. So Primal Kitchen ranch dressing made with avocado oil, that's right here. And this is, Primal Kitchen. And let's see, we're getting down to the bottom. Oh, apparently I couldn't resist getting a Kind bar. Now, I don't know if this is Whole Friendly approved. It's dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. It's gluten-free, but that's about it. No sugar alcohols, low glycemic index, no artificially engineered ingredients. I don't even know what's in here, but it doesn't, it's dairy-free, it's gluten-free, low sodium. So I got me this Kind bar, and I'm pretty excited about that. And I'll hold it for emergencies, right? So I got that. Okay, so now I got another seasoning, adobo seasoning from Primal Palette. I'm kind of excited about cooking, which is interesting, but I'm kind of excited about cooking with these seasonings because I want to give them a try. Adobo seasoning. This is also organic spices from Primal Palette. You can see that there. So I have taco seasoning, adobo seasoning. Very interesting. And other seasonings, garlic and herb seasoning from Primal Palette. All right, so let's put it back here. I got, apparently I couldn't just get one kind of ketchup. I had to get spicy ketchup as well. So this one has no added sugar. It says sweetened only with dates, which I have to see if that's Whole30 approved or not, because I might not be able to eat this until later. Oh yeah, Whole30 approved and paleo approved. Yay! All right, so this is spicy organic ketchup. It's called Good Food for Good, which is a brand I had never heard of before, but I was able to find on Thrive Market. And when I looked into the paleo diet, I saw that this is, and the Whole30 diet, I saw that Good Food for Good was a brand that was approved by them. So I wanted to try them out. So I have 2 different types of ketchups now. I have the Primal Kitchen ketchup with no added sugar, and I have the Good Food for Good sugar-free ketchup, and this is spicy and organic, both of these. All right, so, or at least one spicy, both of them are organic. Believe it or not, I believe this is the last item. Ooh. And I gotta be careful opening it because there were 2 items. Oh, I'm so relieved because I wasn't sure if I had bought this. Okay, so this is Primal Kitchen mayo with avocado oil. And this is really good because I made a chicken salad. I used rotisserie chicken, a couple of tablespoons of this, some seasoning, some celery, and I made a chicken salad to kind of get me in between like the Deliverly meals, like, one maybe once a day for a snack or something, where I could put like a little chicken salad or what have you. And this was really good. It was really tasty. The chicken salad came out really good, and it worked out well. And it is sugar-free, made with cage-free oils, soy and canola free, Whole 30 approved, and paleo friendly. So I love this mayo, and you might want to check it out. Primal Kitchen mayo made with avocado oil. So exciting. Got this. Very excited. And then I also got the Primal Kitchen Chipotle lime mayo. So if I want to spice up a sandwich or spice up, I can't eat a sandwich, I can't have bread, but whatever. Spice up a dish, spice up a salad or something, I can do that with this Chipotle lime mayo made with avocado oil. So I'm pretty excited about that. And it's also Whole 30 and approved and paleo approved, soy and canola free, made with cage free eggs, and sugar free. But it's got some seasoning. And you know me, I like sabor, flavor, right? Because my father's from Panama and mom was from the south side of Chicago. So I got to have some food. I got to have some spicy food. I got to have some flavor in my food. So here we are. Okay, well, thank you so much for being with me today during this unboxing of my haul from Thrive Market. If you want to check out Thrive Market, check out the link below and click on it. You'll get a discount on your first order, and you'll find some great stuff there. Take care. Bye.